Wait, pause for a second. Are you ready for what's coming in the workforce? Layoffs, AI, restructuring, ageism. Because if you're relying on your job as your only income, you're taking a huge risk. And hoping things go back to the way they were, that's risky too. Hi, my name is Catherine Allen. I help women take control of their careers and financial future by building a profitable online business without quitting their job until they're ready. I built my business as a result of my corporate experience and my desire to help other women look at their options if that is something they want to do to start their own business. And if you want freedom, security, and income on your own terms, you need to start thinking differently. Let's get real. AI isn't coming, it's already here. Restructuring isn't some distant possibility. It happens every year. Ageism is real, and it can hit before you even expect it. It used to be a time when you're considered older when you're 50, 55 plus. Now it starts at 45 plus. That is a huge change that has happened in the workforce. Relying solely on your salary, one salary, is risky. Thinking you'll survive it all, that's a gamble. And the reality is, even if you are the star on your team, when it comes down to survival, your leader is going to protect him or herself. 2026 and beyond are going to bring even more change. The safest way to protect yourself is to build your own income stream. Here's the truth. Starting a digital business isn't hard. It's actually one of the most practical moves you can make right now. It fits your life, your skills, and your experience. You don't need a fancy degree or to start from scratch. You already have value. Your skills, your expertise, your personal lived experience is how you can start a digital business. Maybe it's skills from your corporate job, your leadership, your communication, project management, IT, accounting. All of that is your experience or your life experience. Challenges you've overcome that others could pay to learn from. Coaching, this is where you could use your coaching. You could start a coaching business based on your lived experience. You could create courses from your expertise. And of course, you could do consulting to consult with businesses from your corporate experience. Your options match your strength and lifestyle. And you can start on the side of your job. No pressure, no risk. You own your skills and you own your time outside of your job. You can start a digital business from any sector. You don't necessarily have to build it from corporate. You could be from government, education, retail. It doesn't matter, because if you build it on your lived experience, where you have overcome a struggle or a hurdle that is difficult, and there is a huge population of individuals who still struggle with that problem. Your lived experience, how you overcame it, how you have moved forward is a experience, and you have all the steps of how you did it. So many people will want your help. So don't get stuck on, oh, well, I don't have a corporate experience. You have your lived life experience. And with that, the opportunity is there. Here's what's exciting. Unlike a traditional side hustle, a digital business can scale. You can start small, test your offer, learn what works, and grow, all without putting your financial security at risk because you still have your job. And here's the key. You don't have to do it alone. The Digital Business Accelerator is your roadmap. It is your guide. It gives you clarity on your niche, your business model, marketing strategy, and creating your offer. Everything you need to confidently grow your business. I built my business from my lived experience, my experience in corporate, what women go through, the game you have to play, and how the game gets old. I know the pain points. I know how it feels to be disrespected, not valued, or not compensated for the value that you bring. I know what that can do to you emotionally, mentally, and physically. So I brought together life coaching, which that is something I really wanted to do. I've always had the ability, as I'm told from those friends and family, to bring clarity out of chaos. So I really wanted to really learn the fundamentals of life coaching. So I did that. But I wanted more than that. I want to really help women look at the options, that you don't have to be stuck in a job that does not respect you, value you, and compensate you for what you bring to the organization. So therefore, I brought together, started a digital business, but more importantly, let's address some internal issues that you have. So that is the life coaching side, together with digital marketing. And that is what the Digital Business Accelerator is, that will help you start your digital business. Everything you need to confidently grow your business is what the Digital Business Accelerator can do for you. So ask yourself, do you have a plan if things drastically change at work? You do not know the conversations that are going on behind the scenes. Restructuring, layoffs. If you're in production, fulfillment centers, or wherever, changes are coming. Robots are coming in to fulfillment centers. AI is changing so much that you may not be aware of what is being discussed that may impact your role. You don't have to do the change alone. And that is where the Digital Business Accelerator, this roadmap to help you build your business on the side, that gives you freedom, financial security, and confidence. Start on the side. Stay in control. Build a business that works for you. Click the link below to learn more about creating your options to start this business. So I'm having a master class. It is free, to help you understand how you could go about building this digital business. The link is in the description below, so do sign up for the next master class. If all of this resonates for you and you see the need to not depend on one income, or you see the need to have a strategy so that you can pivot if that is something you want to do, then you definitely want to sign up for the masterclass. I thank you for coming by to watch this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.